In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Notion workspace. This is helpful when you're switching teams, cleaning up old access, or simply streamlining the list of spaces you see in your sidebar. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. On the home page, click Log In. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option, then select the Google account you use for Notion and complete the sign-in. If your login session is already active, you'll land directly in Notion. Once you're in, look for the Workspace switcher. It's the small drop-down next to your current workspace's name at the top of the left sidebar. Click that drop-down to open the full list of workspaces you're part of. From the list, select the specific space you want to leave. This ensures any settings you open apply to the correct workspace. Inside that workspace, open Settings. In the Settings panel, navigate to the Workspace section, then choose General. This is where the controls for membership and leaving the workspace live. Before you proceed, an important note: if you're the workspace owner, you must assign ownership to someone else first. Notion won't let the sole owner leave, because every workspace needs at least one owner to manage billing, permissions, and critical settings. Identify a colleague who should take over and update ownership for them in this workspace before you continue. Once ownership is properly assigned, you're good to go. Back in the general area for that workspace, find the option labeled Leave Workspace and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Leave to confirm. After you confirm, you'll be removed from that workspace and it will disappear from your workspace switcher. You'll lose access to pages, databases, and permissions tied to that space. If there are pages you still need, consider duplicating them to another workspace you control or exporting them before you leave. Also keep in mind that if the Leave button is grayed out, it usually means you're still the sole owner or there are ownership requirements you need to resolve first. That's it. Quick and clean. You visited Notion.com, logged in with Google, switched to the correct workspace, opened Settings, went to Workspace then General, verified ownership, clicked Leave Workspace, and confirmed. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, make sure to tidy up any other old workspaces the same way so your Notion stays organized and secure.